In this video, we're going to work on going from exponential to logarithms. Now, again, like I told y'all yesterday, or I finished up the last video by saying, this is my least preferred way, but I'm okay with it because I know how to go back and double check myself. So, not getting into too many details on probability, but I can start off if I come back up here to parts of exponentials. Exponentials have three parts. They have a base, they have an exponent, and then a result. Okay? So something raised to a power equals something. So something raised to a power equals something. Right? And this is going to be true. Now, if I identify, right, if I think about, well, this is my base, this is my exponent, and then this is my result. Well, if I'm changing this to a log, I know logs have a base of something equals something. Okay. Well, if I know my base, right, if I can just remember that this right here is base, okay, so it's what's at the bottom. So log base 5 of something equals something. It forces my answer to be one of the following things. It's either going to be log base 5, 3 is 125, or it's going to be log base 5 of 125 is equal to 3. Now, which one of these it is, I'll be honest with you, I ain't 100% certain. However, what I do know is that I can always go back and check, right? I'm going to make sure there wasn't a mistake by making sure that they give me a correct equation. 5 cubed is 125, so that works itself out. Next thing I want to do is go to functions, miscellaneous, log. I see it's got a base A, which is 5. Now I'm going to type 3, okay? Now when I hit 3, it needs to give me, right, is equal to 125. I get 0.68. Well, that's not equal to 125. Therefore, I know that this is wrong, and this over here must be right, should be right. So log base 5 is still the same of 125. Now when I put 5 on the end, it should give me 3, and it does. So log base 125, log base 5 of 125 is 3, and that is indeed equal 3, so that's good. To this day, when I start back going over switching, I still do it this way. Right, just because I don't do it enough, right? There's not really a, loggy froggy, okay? There's nothing going from exponentials to logs, okay? But I can, again, just test answer choices. So again, if I want to go from exponentials to logs, I know I have two options. Log, think about what my base is here. My base is 9. My base is U. My base is 9 again. My base is Q. The reason these are my bases is because what the exponent is raised to. So log base 9. And again, I know my answer is either -2 or it's log base 9 of 1 over 81 equals negative 2, or this was equal to 1 over 81. Again, which one it is, I'm not 100% certain. But I can be functions. Log, it does have a base, which is 9 of negative 2. That tells me undefined. So therefore, that's not it. But that's my answer. Now, if I do enough of these, I can start getting some general ideas, because when I have variables, right, Desmos won't put two variables in a calculator at the same time unless I create these things called sliders. All right. Now you can do that. It may take a little bit longer, but if we think about it from an aspect of, why would I have everything on the same side if I need to change forms? Okay. So base 9 of negative 2, right? There's really nothing changed here. Again, but if I can remember, the base is u of v equals negative 14. It looks just a little bit different, right? And anytime we've changed forms, simplified, done anything in math, it looks just a little bit different. Again, here, log base 9 s equals t. Again, making it look just a little bit different. And then last but not least, log base q of p equals r. And that's as tough as I can make, changing from logs to exponents, exponents to logs. Again, if you're unsure, just loggy froggy, right? Start at the log. Q to the r power equals p. That's what I started with, so that's good.